Hello, so I'm going to be showing you guys what 4 million rolls are. I'm pretty quick though, so, I don't know, so, that's all I have right now. Because the titles have all these. And hit those, so we have Surfer, Forbidden, Black Fort, Starlighters, Incredible, Exotics, Stars, Catfish, 3 Watermelon, Celestials, Graphite, Arcane, Magnetic Reverse, Undefined, Offset, Diamond on Down, Gravitation, Ritual, Cutterflame, Poseidon, Zeus, Miracle Moon, Solstice, Galaxy, Twilight, Hades, Celestial Divine, one of my favorites, such a good one. Hypervolt, Star Scourge. I have like 9 of these, but not a single Radiant. Sailor. I have 3 of these. Summer Hurricane. I also have 3 of these. Arcane Legacy. I have 4 of these. Dramatic. I only have 1. Arcane Dark. I have 2 of these actually. I just got my second one. Exotic Apex. Another one that I just got actually is the Matrix. I got this like right before 4 million rolls actually. It's pretty good. I really like this aura, but yeah. Alright. Twilight Iridescent Memory. I actually have 4 of these somehow. One of them was Breakthrough. Sailor Flying Dutchman. This one looks pretty cool. One thing I don't like about it is the jumping and the ground is just scuffed. I've always wondered how to do that with green hair, kind of like, is it kind of like a color glitch? I don't know. I'll show you a glitch. Oh, I got Tipluck. What? That's wild. Okay, and then my best one, Gargantua. And I got this in Starfall at like 1.6 million rolls, so yeah. I had 29 achievements, I just need 1 more. But the next achievement I'm probably gonna get is like, unless I get friggin' like Oblivion, it's gonna be this, which is gonna take like 4.5 months, so I'm not gonna get the 30 achievements in a while. This is a new achievement for Era 9. Well, here's my one. I think the lowest thing I have on like Star Scourge. Maybe not this, but so let's do it. Yeah, lowest thing I have on auto equip is Star Scourge. Because if I get a 10 Star Scourge and no Radiant, I'm gonna be mad. Sailor, so if I'm getting Dramatic, Matrix, and Gargantua. So yeah, my collection. I actually got this on like the first day of Era 8.5. I saw a little screenshot on how to do it, and I did it. I was like, for the first like maybe like, for the first like 100, like 10,000 people did it. I don't know. Yeah, I found glitch fire one time. I was able to. I know it was actually only just got the Galactic device because it took me so long, because I got my first Galaxy and I put it into Diamond Miner and I didn't get a second Galaxy until like 3 million. I was sneaking. West Tide. VIP. Why is this still here? I have no idea. Why can't I open the Game Pass though? That's weird. But yeah, that's my inventory. Yeah. Goodbye.